This is typical of any cybersecurity practice. Containers do require patching and update. So think of all the libraries that we've packaged, ideally every once in a while, the vulnerabilities that are found within those libraries. So we need to ensure that we can update those packages and make sure we're running the most up-to-date ones and so forth. And one of the biggest things, or the last thing that I'll mention here, is securing your registries. We talked about registries in our previous slide, where we mentioned in some registries, they're public registries, so you can find other images that people have built, and you can find base images that people have built that you build on top of. Now, in this particular one, when we talk about securing your registries, remember your registries contain all your images. So if you don't secure this, and a malicious actor has access to these, they can ideally modify all your base images. So think of all your base images being the ones that your product teams run off. So any product team wants to deploy some containers, they come in and then they grab those base images from your registry. So if you don't secure your registries and those images are compromised, you can really have this supply chain issue where all the base images that people build up are already compromised in many ways. So securing the registries are essential. Echo statement. And then what I'm going to do is grab it, copy that, and paste that here, and then just hit enter, and we are cool. So we should have all these files. So now we have our package manager, package JSON file, we have our Docker file itself, and then we have my application itself, which is simply a hello world application. That said, the next thing that we are going to do is then build out the Docker container. So what I'm going to do is just run a couple of commands, and what I'm going to do is copy that as well too. Actually, I could just do that. Docker build. What that means is build. We're going to build our target is my app, and then we're going to call it latest. So just to explain that as well, this is saying we're going to build this my app, and then we're going to tag it with the latest tag. So one of the things that you'll see once we build this, when we go into Docker images, we can see all the list of all our images that are running, or containers that are running, and so forth. So this is just saying I'm tagging it. This is the name of the container, and then I'm tagging it with the latest, and dot means I'm including everything in that directory. So hit enter. Sudo. I should